Hi, my name's Aaron Medley. I'm going to be doing a gun review on Kino today. I'm going to be going through a couple of the guns, not all of them, but I'm going to be going through a couple and reviewing them step by step. Okay, so let's go zombies. We need to go on solo. Kino de Totem. Yeah, guys.
Entry 741 too much! Obfuscation was the key to the real goals of Group 935. I still do not trust my unconventional allies, but they are of great use to me. But I digress. Who would have thought the MDT was capable of time travel? How many stations does this group have? Little girl is the pair to. Only time will tell what new questions await us in this deep.
We should go find the fuse box. I think DMC is right. It is a bit fishy.
As you can see, this M1911 is a very powerful gun. It is effective. It is a powerful gun on the moment. It's not some zombies, but I don't think it's meant to. It's very accurate and it does the job. It can be an 8-bullet clip. Which means there's always 8 bullets.
If I don't find ammo, I will have to kill them with my blast.
8 shots to kill him. So it's quite good. Right, moving on to the
I can camp somewhere and not have to move so much. Good. I get tired.
Very accurate. Nice posture. Nice design on it. That was terrible. But usually easy to get a headshot. Takes him down in a couple shots. Very, very powerful. 5, 6, and 7. Not so good for the dogs because you have to reload and the dogs can't kill.
After you, demon spawn!
What should we say? Should we go to Olympia now? Yeah, we'll do all of...
Why is no one caring about my lack of ammo?
And here we have the Olympia, the two-shot shotgun, which is very powerful. It's a shame it only holds up to like most of the guns I've used so far. As you see, if you're quite this one, it's just for close but you're wasting your ammo.
This is proper socialist reform.
You want to aim with this because it's wrong and you're kind of screwed. That's the big down part about it. Yeah.
Never mess with a Soviet!
Onto the PM63. Should we swap? Just swap the Olympia.
This will make demon holes nicely.
As you can see, 20 bullets. Fast fire, very accurate. There's a lot of damage. As you can see, my ammo.
No vodka for you!
Let's
should just drink instead.
Ammo.
Piss on someone.
Ammo is very poor and very bad. That's one of the reasons why I don't have I will show you in this episode. I don't know. See how far I get and what it's very.
Why am I so heavy now?
I'll see if I got time to show you guys.
You know how to say owned in Russian? Owned! I never met an MG I didn't like.
So here we have the MPL. As effective as it is, it has more ammo than the PM61. Free, I mean. Their names. Stop now. See? Takes out 2. Whereas the other one takes you. There will be enough ammo.
The Red Army cannot be overrun! Die by the head of Nikolai! Hey, the drive. Die now, son of a bitch! You cannot even beat a drunk Soviet!
What you want to do is just...
You're dead now, but you were dead before! Ah, fuck you! Salute!
Gun was very effective. I was pretty surprised. Now,
Another dark alley. I know this well.
AK-4U. It's a very good gun, the AK-4U. I will probably die by here because I've opened too many wounds. Maybe I should have picked it first. Well, this gun, what can I say? Very useful. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off.
You fall like coddled bourgeois. You were nervous when you touched Nikolai!
See, I'm just waiting. Trying not to die. That is the only downfall. That is very good. No. What do not want to do? You lucky I will quick revive, otherwise I will.
What? I was only taking a nap.
I think I'll have to buy it again, so I do not want to die.
I think Gypsy is right. It is a bit fishy.
Is my going other way? Actually, no, I think I'm still going to set it wrong way. The only problem with the AK-4U, it runs out super quick. Oh, just 4,500. I think I'll do a review of the M40 next.
This is nice and light. Is that all you got? Maybe I'm not drinking enough.
So yes, this is the M40. This is a very powerful gun. Holds up to 32 bullets, 192.
They are trying to fetch your souls again! It is happy hour!
If you don't know, guys, like nearly everyone probably knows, but you can also play as numerous characters. I'm calling it dead. You've got different ones. It's a great idea. These guns are very effective.
Your misery now. Die, Satan's minion! Die by the hands of How do you say thank you in Indian? Good hell spawns, die! Time for drink.
Sorry about that, guys. I will continue next video. I hope you enjoyed. Keep a list of all of these, and I will post some more next video. I promise. Thank you for watching, guys. You've been great. Don't forget to leave that like and a comment. And next video coming up soon.